welcome back to our channel app tutorial. On today's video I'm going to show you how to hide delivery text in Messenger. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, open the Messenger app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, open the app and sign in. Now on the screen you can see search bar, share a thought, your old conversations, create a new message and menu. You have to go to that menu on the top left corner. There, select settings. Under settings you have to find privacy and safety. Then under privacy and safety you can see options where they're gonna check safety and well-being, security, who can reach you and what people can see. Under what people can see, there are options like active status, read receipts and story controls. All you have to do is go to read receipts and toggle off that option right beside show read receipts. And guys, that's it. That's how you hide delivery text in Messenger. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.